Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you a brief review of some freely available driver scanning software that you can use to scan for missing drivers in your computers or desktop. So first up, I'm going to give you a review of this software called Snappy Driver Installer. So you can download it as a zip file, zip archive file from this website for free, and you have to extract it and run the software. And this is how the software looks. So I'll show you. So this is how the software looks. So it has no advertisements on the positive side, and it's completely portable, and you don't have to install it. Actually, you can just run the executable, and the drivers can be downloaded from this as driver packages from within the software, and you can also install them from here. Also, it supports offline driver installations. On the negative sides, scan schedules are not supported in this Snappy Driver Installer, and the program isn't as easy to use as other software. And also, to add to it, I don't like the user interface. It looks pretty amateur, and it doesn't look that great and user friendly. So that is it about this software. And next up, we'll talk about Driver Easy software. So when we talk about Driver Easy software, you can download it from this website, drivereasy.com, and there is a paid version and a free version. The free version is called the Driver Easy Lite. I downloaded it, and let's take a look at this software now. So this is the interface, what it looks like. So the scanning is pretty easy. I'll show you. It takes about 30 seconds. Let's see. So let's give it some time to scan. It will scan all the drivers in your computer system, and it installs pretty quickly, but we don't have to download drivers manually, and the program is easy to use. So the interface, you can see drivers get backed up before each installation or uninstallation. And on the negative side, bulk downloading is not supported, and schedule for scanning for outdated drivers cannot be customized. And also several features are shown, but they are only for paid versions. So you can see it scanned all the drivers, and it is saying that update your drivers, and 27 available drivers are available. And you can see the driver status here, whether we need to update the drivers or not. So there are plenty of updated, and these drivers are up to date, so they are showing like this. So another thing that we have to consider when we are using this kind of software is whether the software supports automatic restore points creation. So some softwares do not create restore points, which is a negative side, so we have to create them manually. Some softwares, especially when they are paid, they create them automatically. So let's try to update the software. So it is saying that create a system restore point, automatically create, but I don't think this works, so we have to create it manually. This is only for the paid version. So let's try to create it automatically, and it says give the notification that it supports only in the paid version. You can see it here, and we have to go back, and so it is downloading that driver software. Let's wait for it to download. So we are in the step 2. First step is creating the restore point, and we are now in step 3, installing drivers. So there is automatic install, which is in the paid version, and we'll go for the manual install. So these are the drivers. Now we have to go to our device manager, and browse for these driver files for them to install. So that is in manual installation. So I gave you a brief outline of this Driver Easy software, and next we'll go to the other software, that is Driver Talent, the software called Driver Talent. I'll show you that. So this is Driver Talent software, and so in this software, scheduling is supported even in the free version. Can be used at home and or at work. Driver scans are quick, and driver updates are downloaded directly from the software itself. And on the negative sides, driver download is slow. Updates have to be installed manually in the free version, and doesn't support bulk downloads, and some features are available only after payment. So we can click this button to scan. Let's see how long it takes. So scanning is pretty quick, and it shows all the driver status here, and driver versions are here shown. If the drivers need to be repaired or downloaded or up to date, it's all shown here. So let's try to click download driver, and it is creating a system restore point, and it's saying automatic installation is only in the paid version. So we will have to go for the manual installation option, and here we have the drivers, and we'll have to use the manually browse to this folder location to install the drivers manually. So that is also another drawback in this system, but overall this is better than the previous ones I showed you. So next I will show you another software called Driver Magic. So this is the best software so far I found. So you can download it from this website. So these are it shows all the device drivers that it supports, and I will show you the software. This is the software interface. It also looks very user friendly, and we can start a new scan. Let's see. So in this software, in addition to drive updates, it's very smooth drive updates, and it installs only fully tested largest genuine drivers, and we don't have to deal with any hardware problems in the future. And also this has a very large driver database, and it offers more than 200,000 drivers for smooth hardware functioning. And also this software does invalid registry scan, and it cleans all the corrupted and invalid registry entries within just a single clicks. And also it supports this web protection feature by keeping our systems safe from the latest malware. So it is an additional feature that we have. And also this has the startup manager tab. It boosts the startup time of your PC by cleaning all kinds of junk and unnecessary files from the startup folder. So that is also an important feature. So overall this software is better than the others I showed you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and stay tuned for my channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.